good. Descriptive statistics. Write some notes. Analyze. Descriptive statistics. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make your life easier. Don't write that down. Go to analyze. Don't go to descriptive statistics. Go to the first one that says general linear model. Everything we need is going to be here, even though it's descriptive statistics. So analyze. Analyze. Yeah, I did.
That's not
Analyze, that sounds a little off. A-N-A-L-Y-Z-E. Thank you. Analyze. General linear model. All right. That's the second one down. It's not the generalized linear model. Stuff down here already. All right. Then univariate. Some strange reason I think I could spell that better. All right, now we get complicated. What's our dependent variable? Number correct. Move number correct over here. All right, this is complicated for a second. Fixed factors versus random factors. As we discussed the other day, an independent variable is called a factor. We don't have any random factors. Ours are all fixed. What that means is we control what levels they got. A random factor would be like, let's say there's 40 musical styles, and we randomly pick 5 of them to study. We did not. We intentionally picked certain ones. It's not like there's a big category out there, and we just said like, hey, let's pick 5 of them. We said we wanted to compare classical to pop to rock for a reason. They were set, they were fixed. So does anyone want to guess which 2 variables go over there?
music genre and lyrics.
All right. What do you want me to write for this? Is everyone remember the dependent variable? Do I need to write anything here? I'll take that as a no. What we're doing next under univariate is descriptive statistics. Oops. First, it's under options. So I click on options, and then there's 2 things we need here. The descriptive statistics and what else? We looked at it before, I mentioned it, it's got a weird name. The effect size. So I'm going here, I'm clicking descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and hitting continue. What else did I need? What else did you look at 15 minutes ago? Did we look at a model? Did we look at anything called contrast? How about plots? How about post hoc tests? How about save or bootstrap? Anyone ever hear me say the word bootstrap? No. Anyone ever hear me in this class say post hoc?
Yeah.
No, another class, but not this one. How about the words plots? Anyone ever heard that? Yes. Plots it is. So here, this is a bigger category. Now we're on to plots. What did you say?
Did you ever watch The Nanny with Fran Drescher?
Yeah, I used to watch that.
Remember how she goes like, I'm gonna plot.
Oh, yes. It might be spelled differently, but yes. Okay. Plots. This gets a little tricky. What do you think I want to do here? All right, I got a more important question. My wife's going out of town for a couple days. I need some food suggestions. I'm not going to cook anything myself. Don't know how. Anyone got some ideas? I've eaten a lot of pizza in the last few days.
Go to Trader Joe's.
Go to Trader Joe's?
Yeah, they've got really good frozen meals.
Oh, that's not a bad idea.
Yeah.
What else we got?
No, that's your best option. Yeah.
What?
That's your best option.
Trader Joe's is so good, and it's reasonably priced.
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking like Five Guys and other just like...
That's such an expensive burger.
It is a
Go to
rip-off.
Freddy's if you want to like
Freddy's?
Freddy's.
I've been to Freddy's.
They have ice cream.
Yeah. I don't live near Freddy's. That's it? We got Trader Joe's?
Trader Joe's is your best option.
All right.
Yeah. They have these raviolis that you only have to put in water.
Yeah, they're so good. Get the burrata
No, did
tomato
you not
one.
hear the part about I'm not cooking? Putting the raviolis in water?
You don't even have to wait.
Next week when I'm not here, Professor's house burns down. Boiled water. You guys understand my definition of not cooking. Alright. Freddy's or Trader Joe's. What do I get at Trader Joe's? Besides raviolis.
They've got really good orange chicken.
Yeah.
Like
Mac
I
and
like
cheese.
orange chicken.
They've got good mac and cheese. They've got really good fried rice.
Okay.
And they also have really good like pot stickers and dumplings. They're
Yeah,
they're
my
soup
wife's gonna
dumplings.
faint if I tell her this is my plan.
Sweet dumplings you can put in the microwave.
They're so good.
Okay.
The soup dumplings are the best.
Do I know how to handle the oven? Yeah, I can handle the oven. I can't cut up stuff and actually cook. Like I can heat up stuff. I can boil stuff. I can. Not
The
what I
burrata
want.
piece is really good.
I get nervous. Am I supposed to drop the food in and then boil the water?
No.
No, you
Boil
boil
the
it, then you
food.
drop the
Boil
raviolis
first.
in.
Yeah. Alright. So if I ask the right questions, you guys will talk to me.
Yes.
I can
If
talk
I
about
ask
Trader
the
Joe's
wrong
all
questions,
day.
no one speaks.
I love Trader Joe's.
Do I want what?
Suggestions.
We're
Huh?
getting back to reality now. I
They're
appreciate that.
like literally everything.
Who
They're-
saw the plots? Who saw the plots I just put up here before? Did anyone pay attention when I showed these plots?
Yes.
What happened? Why isn't it not letting me click on this? What does this line have? What does it mean when I have classical pop rock? What axis is that?
The music genre.
That's the horizontal axis. Then does everyone see these two different lines up here? What might that be called by SPSS? Maybe like two lines? All right, moving on. I'm back to plots.
Did it get smaller?
It did get smaller. Hold on a second. I'm back to plots. Is anyone seeing anything here where I might do something with horizontal axis and separate lines? Yes. How about I put music up here and I put lyrics here? Now here's an important part some of you will forget. You hit add. It's now going to make a line that's music by lyrics. But as you noticed, I had two up there. So I'm going to do the exact opposite. Put lyrics here put music there and then hit add. This will get me both plots. One will have one on the horizontal axis, one will have the other. If you're doing your own research project, you might want to look at it one way because it's easier to discuss than looking at it the other way, or the focus of your study won't matter. Victoria, what do you got?
Can you do that again?
I sure can. Here's the deal. It's the same stuff, but it's two ways of looking at it. It's two ways of talking about it. Do you want to talk about, like, men who blah, 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 or people who blah, 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 men versus women? It's what you want to focus on first. We have two factors. Do we want to talk about the music and compare lyrics to no lyrics, or do we want to talk at the lyrics level and compare music to music to music? We just looked at that. So, I'll start first. It doesn't matter which way. Music will be my horizontal axis. Lyrics will be the separate lines. Then I hit add. Now I'm going to say, hey, instead of having music be the horizontal axis, I'm going to do lyrics and make music be the line. And then hit add. And when I'm done with all that, I hit continue. Are we ready?
Yes.
All right, so under plots, I'm going to write both ways. Do not look for the words both ways. Does that make sense? All right, what's the last thing? This gets trickier. They will call estimated marginal means. Clicking this. This is going to give us the means for our main effects, so you don't have to add up all the numbers yourself. We have an unequal number of people and conditions. Therefore, it'd be impossible for you to add up all the numbers yourself. I want the means displayed for what? I want the main effect for music. So we're now going to just take all the numbers and condense them together. All the rock numbers, all the pop numbers, all the classic numbers. I'm going to do that same thing for lyrics. So what is this called? Before I can do this again, it's called EM means. EM means. And again, you can work with other people on this. EM means. I want the means for the main effect 1. I want the means for main effect 2. All these will be reported in your results section. I also want the means for the interaction. The only thing I don't want is overall. Don't check any of those other boxes. It makes it more complicated. Does everyone have that down? We're good with that. All right, so I did plots, I did estimated marginal means, and I did options, which was the descriptive statistics and the effect size. Now I hit OK, and then I get all the stuff we just got. There's all your descriptive statistics. There's all your analyses. There's your mean breakdown. Which group did better, classic, pop, or rock? There you go. You'll have to discuss that. There's your lyrics. Which group did better? Lyrics or no lyrics? Were any of these statistically significant? Nope. There's all your means. Again, you can look at them there, or you can look at them up here. It does not matter. If you're making a table, it goes on its own separate page at the end. There's your plots. You don't need to include these plots or graphs. You do not. But you're going to need to look at them so you can say something in the description to explain what's going on. And then you will see table 1 for the means. So you would say something like, within classical music, people did way better with lyrics than no lyrics. However, with pop, they did better with no lyrics than lyrics, blah, blah, blah. See table 1 for the means. Or you could use this chart here, if you find this easier to talk about. All right, any questions about any of that? I'm going to post this on Blackboard now so you can work on it. When you want, I'll walk around the room, I'll help you. I will talk about the results and discussion again on Wednesday. We'll talk about what needs to be, what format needs to be in there. But please hear me out. All of this is in that PDF I posted. You can literally click a hyperlink in the first table of contents, and it will show you how to write it up. I've already put this in the actual PowerPoints, so you can literally copy some of that from there. You don't have to cite it, you're just copying the template. We will not consider that cheating. All right. I'm going to mute this screen or hide the screen in case I click something that shows you all everyone else's grades.